Why small farmers borrow from informal sectors? Means why informal sector is more popular in rural areas. Reasons are hesitation to go to the bank. Some people have hesitation. They take it easy to go to the informal sources to take loan. Next is they are illiterate and they do not know the procedures and disadvantages of informal sector, so they go to informal sector. Sometimes lack of awareness about the policies of government and lack of procedure how they can get loan from formal sources, they fall in trap of informal sectors. Lack of collateral is also a reason. They do not have any collateral to keep in bank, so they go to informal sectors because in informal sector do not require any collateral. Borrowing from for unproductive purpose is not easy in formal sector. So if they need money for unproductive purposes like marriage and death, so they go to informal sectors. Inability to fulfill documents is also a reason. That's why they go to informal sector. Poor accessibility to banks. In some rural areas, banks are not easily available to provide loan, so they are dependent on informal sources. Money lenders are easily accessible for the poor farmers in rural areas, so they go to money lenders to get loan. One is cooperative society. In rural areas, some people have organized themselves in cooperative society to fulfill their financial needs. What are cooperative societies? These are organizations of people who join themselves for mutual help. Development of members is the main purpose. For not earning profit is the motive of cooperative society. Means they join themselves in cooperative society to help their members and registered under Cooperative Society Act. These cooperative societies are registered. Minimum 10 members are required to form a cooperative. Means if 10 members join themselves as organization, they can form any cooperative society and fulfill each other's needs. One concept is self-help group. Self-help groups are group of 10 to 20 people from same locality. They join themselves as a group, and the main purpose of such group is to help its members for their economic well-being. Means members joins in group and they help their members by collecting specific amount from each members. They either carry on small collective business or create a fund to lend to the needy members. Means they collect monthly amount, little amounts, maybe 100 rupees, 200, 500, whatever amount they collect from each member monthly, and they help by this money to one needy member of the group. Government encourages such groups by arranging bank loans at subsidized rate of interest. Means self-help groups can take loan from bank by their name. on the name of the group they can take loan from bank, and all members are responsible to repay the loan. So that is also a concept from which they help their members.